Good morning, guys. It's Friday, June 4th. I did not have a chance to go over this with you yesterday due to all the craziness that took place with the field day, the field trip. So I'm going to go over everything with you and then have you work on this independently today for our virtual school day. So this morning for math, I would like you guys to go on to IXL and complete 2 of your recommendations under the Diagnostics tab. When you're done, I want you to fill out this Google form so I know what it was that you were working on. So what was the first skill that you worked on? So you can tell me what it was. Okay, what SMART score did you get on it? And what was the most difficult part about that skill? What's something that you might need more support on to help you complete that skill independently? And then what was the second skill that you worked on? And again, what was the most challenging about that? When you're done, hit submit. So again, you're doing 2 math recommendations. Down here for language arts, I'm preparing you guys for a room transformation that we're going to be doing next week. But in order to have that run smoothly, we need to do some review on some concepts we've been working on this year. So you guys are going to be working on reviewing parts of speech. So I want you to watch these 2 videos for me, okay? Then you're going to complete these following 4 skills on language arts, 5th grade IXL with a SMART score of 80 or more. You have KK1, NN2, PP1, PP3. It's on nouns, verbs, adjectives, and adverbs. So if you have any questions on those, guys, just send me an email and I'll be happy to help you with those. Read your Battle of the Books book because at 9:30 we're going to be going over 10 questions for that. I have talked with Mrs. Copel and I believe our date for that is the 21st, our Battle of the Books, Battle of 4th grade. Science, we're starting a new science unit, and so I want you guys to work on this for me. It's a properties of matter video, so you're going to click on this link and it's going to take you to a Generation Genius video. You're going to watch that. After you watch that, there's review questions on here. This is not graded. When you log on to this, it might be a little glitchy. I've never used this platform before. So if you're running into issues with it, please don't be afraid to reach out and let me know. You're going to need to use this game code. So I'm just going to select it, copy it, open it up, and you're going to click your Gmail account, had to put a game code in, and it's just some questions to review the video. Again, that's not graded, that's just a review, and you might run into issues with that. So if you do, let me know, and I'll be happy to help you troubleshoot that. Special, today is Free Choice Friday. Afternoon math, you're going to work on Zern, not lesson 6. Lessons 18 through 20 are due and graded. Other than that, read your Bob book, and that's about it. All right, if you have any questions, don't be afraid to message me or give me a shout.